Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In this instructional video, we will be exploring the process of upgrading the firmware on the Cambium Network Force 200. To upgrade the firmware for your Cambium Network Force 200, follow these steps. Next, access your Force 200 device through the web browser. Enter your username and password. Next, go to Tools menu. Within the Software Upgrade submenu, you can see the old version of your device. Next, visit the official support page of Cambium to download the latest firmware for your device. After access the Cambium support page, it is necessary to log into your Cambium account in order to download the firmware for your device. After login, go to Download menu. Next, find out your device model number and click on it. After find the correct firmware of your device, click on the Download to download the firmware. Once the firmware has been downloaded, navigate to the webpage of your Force 200 device. Click on Browse button. Then, pick the firmware file that you have downloaded from the Cambium support page. Next, click on Upgrade button. Finally, our firmware being upgraded. It is advised not to switch off the device while the firmware upgrade process is ongoing.